What's good, fam? Welcome back to Tito's Kitchen. In today's video, I got a nice one for you, real quick one. We're doing fried salmon nuggets. Yes, a lot of people don't know you can fry salmon. I don't know why, but yes, you can. We're doing it here today. I'm also whipping up a fresh cilantro sauce. I know if you've been following my channel, you know I have a video for that, but this is like cilantro sauce 2.0. We about to step it up a notch. I got a couple extra ingredients I'm gonna add into this one. So without further ado, let's do this. All right, the first thing you want to do is rinse off your salmon and go ahead and dry them off real good. Then we're going to cut them into about 1-inch thick pieces, just like that. Now to fry the salmon, you can use flour, cornstarch, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, a little cayenne powder, and of course salt. But if you want to go, sometimes you don't have time to mix all that together. So I like to deal with this right here. Big dog right here. I mean, I'm not getting endorsed by this or nothing. It's just some good seasoning right here. You can fry chicken, fish, shrimp, whatever. Big dog right here, lefty spices. So if you got that in your local grocery store, I'm telling you, you fry something with this, you're gonna love it. Okay, you want to grab a bowl and put in about 1/4 cup of the flour mix. Then you want to add in about 3 tablespoons of milk and mix it up really good. We're going to use this as the marinade. Once you do that, go ahead and throw your salmon pieces in there. Make sure we whip them around, mix them around really good so everything's coated evenly, and we're gonna let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Now we're gonna take about a cup of the flour mix, throw it in the Ziploc bag, and then add in our salmon nuggets. Zip it up nice and good and shake it. Shake it up, flip it up, smack it up, flip it. Well, you know the rest. Just make sure they're coated nice and good. Now we're gonna heat up the oil to about 350 degrees. If you don't have a deep fry, that's fine. You can use whatever pan you usually use to fry things with. Just halfway through, we're gonna make sure you flip them over. It should take about 7 to 8 minutes to cook them nice and good. Golden brown fried salmon nuggets. I mean, I think I need some champion music to go with this. Sheesh. Would you look at that? Hey, don't forget, we got that cilantro sauce. It's gonna be the perfect complement to go with this. You wanna make sure you get some lemon. Of course, you need cilantro for this. Get your green onion, 2 garlic cloves. We got some lemongrass, mayo, sour cream, and some Mexican cream. And also we got some Creole seasoning. Go ahead and get about a tablespoon of that lemon juice. Chop up all our herbs and the garlic, and let's put this ensemble together. So you're gonna need about 3 tablespoons of the crema, the sour cream, and the mayo each. Now add in a 1/2 teaspoon of Creole seasoning, or you can use Cajun seasoning. And now just throw in everything together. Lemon juice, cilantro, green onion, garlic, lemongrass, and mix it up. Mix it up nice and good. Mix it up thoroughly. that's it. And you got a quick meal, quick appetizers, finger food, whatever you want to call it. Fresh cilantro sauce kicked up to the next notch. Crispy, hot, fresh, golden brown salmon nuggets. I mean, you're gonna love this, I'm telling you. Hey, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. Appreciate it.